Hey everyone, Ant here from the Diamond Home today. I'm making a vlog video, and today is our 4th of July. It's not even July yet, but it's still our 4th of July. So I'm going to show you most of our firecrackers. Well, the ones that you do at night time. See, as you can see, it's dark. So yeah, see you guys in a second whenever we start them. Zane, back up, buddy.
The house. Yeah.
Okay, guys, here we go.
Oh.
This is our first one. This is Tank.
Okay, that's it.
Whoa!
Okay, it's not done. Nope, it's not done.
Pop.
Those ones really aren't bad. It's like a little fountain too.
Better than it was how many years ago? In 7?
And I was
Huh?
I never saw it.
Did you hear what I had?
I was in Mom's tummy.
Did I tell you?
Oh my God.
I'll let him light one of them. Hang on. One of those little red. I'm not going to record all of them.
There we go. Zane, you need to scoot over, bud. This is our
Oh, yeah, it was lovely.
second tank.
Yeah, it was so pretty.
Ready?
One of the prettiest ones I've seen.
You go down there and slide it on there.
How come Zane gets to do it?
You will too.
Because he doesn't throw the punk.
You get it?
Oh.
Oh, this time it's
So you guys, let me tell y'all a story.
back up.
So Avery, he was lighting one of these, the little
Stay
dynamites,
right here, take that.
and my dad told him to throw it, and he threw the punk instead of this. So, yeah, it's funny.
It did, that's why you got to stay back.
It was too funny.
That's what I said last
Rude.
time we were doing the...
Hang on, that's hot. You don't want to
Okay, you guys,
touch it.
see y'all in a second whenever we get the next tank. Okay, guys, here's the next tank. It actually wasn't that long. It was like 3 seconds or so. Avery's gonna light this one.
Between 4:15 and 4:30 is what the email says. So I'll get off at 3 then, Daddy.
There it goes, you guys. Whoa.
How much do tanks cost now? I think it's $1.74. For 2?
It was buy one, get one free.
They used to be about...
Adam's turn.
Yeah, they used to be about...
Okay, here comes Adam. Adam is the one that had a broken arm.
Adam's done one.
Zane is my nephew.
Yeah, put it down.
You guys,
I'm second.
he hardly ever gets to see us, so yeah. So I got 2 of these, you guys, these things. I got 2 left. We bought 100 today, and I lit 98. I thought I lit all 100, but I didn't.
Ready?
I'll move.
Right there.
Abby, you're gonna go, Dad.
It happened over here.
Adam,
When you were a baby.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa.
You think you want to face that way with a shot?
Get the
After
circle.
myself when firecrackers start after us.
My turn.
Firecrackers
Okay, you guys, we got the next tank up, ready to go. Up and ready to go. My dad's gonna move it
Well, I was scared. Yeah, they were coming
because
right
Zane put it in the wrong spot, but it's okay. So my dad and Zane are gonna light it,
out the chair.
and they're gonna back up. My dad's gonna turn off his phone, turn off the flashlight.
Woo, that one was fast.
It's good. Hey, you're going to have to back up and go your way. I had to say something, didn't I? This one actually turned the wrong way.
That was close, you guys. Glad it didn't hit us. So, just wait, George.
We're way out of the way, aren't we?
Okay, guys, Avery is gonna do the last tank, I think. I think this is the last tank, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, you guys, here we go. Here Avery goes.
Run!
Back up, guys.
Oh, there it goes.
That was flipped over.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Tank died. Thanks, Dad.
Thank God.
He got hit.
The person in the tank
Well,
did.
I'll see you guys in a second whenever we got the next fire. So you guys, Adam's doing a fountain, you guys. This will be prettier. So yeah. Oh, somebody's doing firecrackers too. Whoa.
What's your favorite?
This is really good, you guys. Hope you guys like this. You can just capture that, take a picture of that. So, you guys, I'll see y'all in a second whenever we have the next firecracker. Okay, you guys, I don't know what this one's called, but we're gonna do it. Anyways, so yeah.
It's the jet.
Let's see what this
One
is.
says it's supposed to go straight up. Let's see.
I think it's called Turbo Jet or something like that.
Back up there.
My way. Nope, not in my way.
That's pretty neat.
That's
So see you guys in a second whenever I have the next one.
Go.
It's mine. Let's show mine go straight up in the air, like that one did. Cause that was loud.
Yep, that's yours.
Let's put it on my side. This one's mine.
Avery, you go slip some shoes on real quick. Go slip some shoes on.
We're doing mine.
Oh, hey, tell Adam that. Tell Adam if you mess with. Tell Adam if you mess with firecrackers, you have to wear hearing aids.
Hey, Adam.
Yeah.
You know how come I gotta wear hearing aids?
Okay, you guys. So I know y'all have heard of sparklers. They're gonna do sword sparklers. So yeah, they're all three gonna do it at the same time. Adam, Zane, and Avery, and they're gonna do it. It's just a sparkler. Dad, it's just a big sparkler. That's really all it is. Okay, you guys, we're gonna watch them all three at the same time. So I'll just wait a second to see whatever they like.
Hold the road. Don't point at nobody.
Avery's a good swordsman. He's backing up.
Adam! Avery, get closer!
Make it go in a circle.
Oh, look at Adam. Look at Adam, too. Look at him. Avery, look at Adam. Spread it, Avery. They just spread out.
Sorry, you guys. So yeah,
Avery, go towards Cindy.
Zayden's is out. It's just Avery and Adam. Look at Avery over there. Okay, Avery's the last one standing. Avery's the winner. That's it. But fixing to go get 2 more firecrackers. I'll light one. My dad will light one, because the last one will be the grand finale. See you guys in a second.
Stay right here. Watch it.
What are you doing? Will you stop? What do I save my sword on it?
Get over
Okay.
here, Zane.
So you guys, this is called Just Because.
Go off, you can land, and then you hear the bang before it came out.
Hey guys, this is Just Because. We're gonna do this just because. Not a whole bit. Wait. Wait. We're not sure that's done. Okay, you guys, that was a long one. And it was really pretty, and it was really loud.
Really pretty.
Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in a second whenever we show you the grand finale. Hold on. So the grand finale is going to be this. It's called The Good Stuff. It's going to like shoot out 63 shots. It's like those one things that like just shoot out. So yeah. See you guys in a second whenever we do it. It's called The Good Stuff Explosive. 2 minutes long. So this one's going to be pretty long. So yeah, here we go. See you guys in a second whenever we light it.
Go. Zane, don't do that.
Not as short as the top.
Where'd it go?
That's pretty.
Here, let me see it.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, this is 63 shots, 2 minutes long.
Those are pretty.
Oh my God!
Pretty. Oh! Wow! Holy cow! Is that it?
That was pretty.
Guys,
I think that's it. Yep, that's
That
it.
was pretty.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like. And if this happens to be the first video you've seen by me, then please do hit that subscribe button to join Team TGG for daily Minecraft, for daily gameplay videos. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you next time. Goodbye.